Refreshing lemonade, also known as sweet and sour juice, is great because you only need 3 ingredients: a pitcher, a glass, and lemonade.
You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
We're going to start by slicing the lemons in half, and if you don't have one of those lemon squeezy whatchamacallit yippity doodad thingamajigs, you can instead use a 4-prong lemon juicer. Just work that in there and demolish the lemon's natural juice retention system until you make acid rain. The nice thing about the 4-prong lemon juicer is you can really work that pulp out. And anyone who knows anything about anything knows that maximum pulp is the best amount of pulp. If you don't like pulp, you're a tool, or someone who prefers smooth things. You can also roll a lemon on the counter firmly until you explode all the inside. Whoops. So roll it slightly less hard than that and then prick it with your meat thermometer and squirt it out like you're milking a cow. So juicy. Also, don't forget to scrape out those seeds. If you need more torque on the fork, you can tape a wang jangler crosswise to create a wang cross janglewiser, which really gives you a lot of leverage. Just use as many lemons as you need until you have around 1 cup of juice. This took me around 4 lemons. It'll probably take you around 5 or 6 lemons, just based on strength and technique and ability to make lemon juice. Then you want to add a cup of water to it. Whoops! You want to heat up a cup of water with a cup of sugar until the sugar becomes transparent enough that you can see right through it, but not so transparent that you can taste right through it. Then we'll use the power of gravity to add the lemon juice to the pitcher. Then we'll add around 4 cups of triple distilled mason water. Then we'll add the sugar water, which doesn't need to be mason distilled since it was purified with heat and sweet. Now with 5 or 6 cups total water, this makes a nice strong lemonade, tart and sweet. You can add up to 2 more cups of water if you're new to lemonade and can't handle it. Or you can throw in some ice cubes if you have a thing for refreshing glacial infused lemonade. Or maybe you had the foresight to make lemonade cubes. That's what the pros do. This makes your lemonade maximum cold and maximum strong. If you want to add a fancy twist, you can squeeze in some fresh ginger for gingerade. Or you can add in some cayenne pepper to make barbecue lemonade. I don't know what the right amount is, but I know that was too much. And because lemon has preservative qualities, if you squeeze a bit of lemon juice onto the top of your lemonade, it will stay fresh in the fridge for several days.
Oh, lemonade, show us the way. I know a place where you belong and it's called my face. Oh, lemonade, you taste amazing. Your praises every day, 'cause I gotta have that lemonade. Oh, lemonade, you are so tasty. You up and knock you down my open mouth. Oh God, yeah, lemonade. Also, I wrote a book. There's a link below.